I'm coming to you today from Park Club Apartments. It is a 56-unit, 8-building, tax credit, Section 8 layer. We had purchased this community in 2019. We were able to stabilize the community for renovation for 2022, which we are currently under renovation now.
My name is Angela. I've been living here since 2021. When something is going on, I call and maintenance person right there. I love it.
When I walk in, I like it now because it's more, I would say, brighter, like lighter. I love the building that I am in because it's quiet. I love it. Having a lady here is very wonderful for us.
The residents are so excited when they walk into their new apartment homes, and they appreciate Related so much for making their lives and their homes so much better.
The partnership between Related Affordable Foundation, the Park Club Apartments complex, and the Zoological Society of Milwaukee started when Leela called us up and she was like, hey, we just have this apartment complex and we're thinking about valuable community programming.
It's been great since the zoo and Park Club have partnered together to where, kids can come to the zoo, learn about the animals, and get the kids something to do during the summer times and the fall. So it's nice that the zoo is doing that with Park Club.
I've been out to the apartment complex several times to meet with residents and talk about the work that we do here, what a camp and a class looks like, what to expect when you get here. And from there, we were able to have about 45 camps for kiddos at Park Club, and through a variety of different ages and programs, right? Like I think we had a 3-year-old all the way up to a 16-year-old participating in a single day, partial day programs, all the way to come in every day for a week. So that was really special to see how this place became familiar to them. I'd love to see more kiddos in the program. I'm super psyched about the family day at the zoo, and I'd love to run more of those too.